Hi everyone, so this is a continuation of the video regarding Toucan. So as promised, thanks to the hard work and amazing support from Jacob Tucker, this is the testnet version of Toucan. So you might remember I got to the last screen where it's asking me for 200 flow. So this is a flow test account. So you need to put flow token into it, but that's a test version. So as you can see, testnet. So you're going to copy your wallet, go to this website that says testnet fund account, and then you pass your address here. And of course, you just want the test no flow. I am human. Okay, let's do that bit. Click on the dog. Start with the dog. One more dog. That one. Yeah. Fund account. So now I have 1000 flow token, right? So now this should come up here, maybe back. See, now I have 1000 flow. I confirm this will cost 200 flow. And remember, this is a testnet version. So of my DAO description. But before I click on it, let me quickly go through some of the steps. So that's a great way for Toucan to get everyone to get used to it. So you put the name, the logo which I created on scenario, and put the name on Canva created on scenario, a description, the long description which needs to be at least 220 characters, the website. So the website could be, for instance, your any website that you want to pick, your Twitter handle, and of course the Discord. For this you can skip it, I believe, and then you choose flow. Next. So one more time, MetaPharmacy DAO, a DAO, IPA-SF, Twitter, and I have 1000 flow. I'll confirm this got 200 flow. Generate DAO. Two versions. You have DAO, where you can add a token afterward, and this is DAO plus token. So let me do a quick run through. So configure your DAO. So of course this will be MetaPharmacy DAO. Let's put it MRX for Metaverse prescription, or MetaRX. Then we have the logo. Then we have the banner. Should be this one. Text, I've already done it, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Website. So basically now you have two buttons, tokenomic, which should be quite important for a presentation, where the presentation from Ricardo will be very helpful as he is a member of Tokenomic DAO. So max supply is basically how many of those can be minted. So if you look at Bitcoin, I think it's like 21,000 or so, so you want to limit it. Mint token is basically to be able to mint token for your member of your DAO, like membership club. Let's say 1 million. So 1 million MRX. Initial supply on the DAO that as the treasury of your DAO community. Let's put 200,000. Next. delays in a nutshell does come down more for community trust, but basically a real one you probably put 7 days to kind of Sheen setting, but just because that's for the hackathon, you can just do that. And then as you can see, everything's ticked off. You have the DAO, the MRX, the Twitter handle, the Discord event. I have 1000 flow token from the previous video token minting, yeah, as you can see. So I'm going to click this button. So now if you go to the last page, as you can see, there's a new link. Thanks to the kindness and amazing support from Jacob Tucker to help the participants in the IPA-SF hackathon to create their first DAO on Flow using the Cadence programming language. Click generate the DAO. You must approve it. And boom, that's it. You've created the very first DAO on Flow blockchain, which make you part of the 0.00001% of the pharmacy students across the globe to have done that, right? So that's how the page look like. It should come up under your DAO manager part. All right, generate DAO manager. So you see how much MRX meta prescription you have. You can burn, so basically is to discard and so on. That's when you can withdraw token to distribute, action Q, Misty 6 to add more than one person that kind of manage the finance of the DAO, right? So yeah, it's looking very slick. And a massive thank you to Jacob Tucker, right? Thank you.